Can I check my baby's heartbeat at home?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss an exciting and important topic that is dear to many expecting parents: how to check your baby's heartbeat at home. We will guide you through the process, ensuring you know all the necessary steps and precautions.
Can you really listen to your baby's heartbeat at home?
Yes, absolutely. It is indeed possible for you to listen to your baby's heartbeat at home. However, this should not replace routine prenatal care or professional medical advice. It's essential to remember that healthcare professionals have trained for many years to interpret what they hear. Nonetheless, listening to your baby's heartbeat can be a beautiful bonding experience.
What do you need?
To listen to your baby's heartbeat at home, you will need a device called a fetal Doppler or fetal heart monitor. These devices work similarly to an ultrasound by using sound waves to detect the baby's heartbeat. Remember, safety is paramount, and therefore the use of these devices should be limited and always according to the manufacturer's instructions.
How do you do it?
The best time to start detecting a heartbeat is around the 12th week of pregnancy. Here's a simplified step-by-step process. 1. Find a quiet space. This will help you hear the heartbeat better. 2. Apply a special gel. A special ultrasound gel should be applied on your belly. This helps in transmitting the sound waves. 3. Place the probe. Position the Doppler's probe at the lower part of your abdomen, below the belly button. 4. Move the probe slowly. Move it around gently until you detect the heartbeat. It might take some time, so be patient. 5. Listen for the heartbeat. The baby's heart rate is faster than an adult's, typically between 120 to 160 beats per minute. Please note, if you cannot find the heartbeat, don't panic. The baby might be in a position that makes it hard to detect. Try again after some time or consult your healthcare provider.
Is it safe?
Fetal heart monitors are generally safe, but they should not be used frequently or for extended periods. Excessive or prolonged use may potentially lead to heating effects or cavitation. Always use according to the manufacturer's guidelines and use this as a bonding opportunity rather than a medical examination. Checking your baby's heartbeat at home can be a wonderful and bonding experience for expecting parents. However, it's essential to remember this is not a substitute for regular prenatal care. If you have any concerns about your baby's heartbeat, it's important to reach out to a healthcare provider. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we wish you all the best on your pregnancy journey.